This is a short descriptive video about a Copal flip clock, the AP110. This is a Copal clock, flip clock from the late 70s, early 1980s. So one of the last flip clocks, I would say, with the at least the traditional flywheel or whirligig motor in there. I say around the same time that this clock was probably phased out, Copal had still had some new models coming out with a cheaper made motor in there, mostly made from plastic. I've worked on a couple of those. I'm not a big fan of them. They're nice to see, but the motor is basically, if you ask me, a piece of rubbish as opposed to the motor that is inside here, the traditional Copal flywheel flip clock motor. For some reason this clock is fairly rare. Maybe it wasn't sold for that long. I don't come across many of these, the AP110. The AP110 is, as far as I can tell, the successor of the Copal model 222, which in its turn was the successor of the 101 and the 201. I really like the look of this clock. It's kind of contemporary, but you can still see it's from the the late 70s, early 80s. This clock was available in several different color schemes. I particularly say color schemes because you would have the housing that was in a particular color. You would have the front plate that could be either white or black, which you can see here on the front plate. There could be some kind of drawing or something of the sort. I've seen several different ones of these, and some of them I like, some of them, they're so-so, but they're still a nice clock. It's just my personal opinion whether I like them or not. I do enjoy this one with the sort of kind of frame around it. This particular clock is the European clock, 220 volts, 50 hertz, 24-hour clock. So it needs 220 volts, 50 hertz, or you need an appropriate adapter if you want to use it elsewhere. It's only a clock. It doesn't have an alarm, and it does have a light, of course. The motor was cleaned and lubricated. The wiring, the light, the resistor, the cable, the plug, everything was replaced, and the clock has been polished. And I'm not going to say that it is in a mint condition, but it is in a really good condition. I would say potentially very close to near mint. And I don't come across these very often, so when I do, I jump at the chance to buy them if I can afford them anyway. So if you like it and you're looking for a nice clock for on your desk or maybe in the office or besides your bed, if you use your phone as an alarm anyway, you don't need the alarm. Don't wait too long and jump on this one, because I have no idea when I'm going to be finding the next one, if I will. You never know. So that's it. Any questions, let me know. Of course, this clock will be for sale in my web shop. And as always, thank you for watching.